Number one, adaptations that might occur during heat acclimation. Our first adaptation we're going to talk about is an increase in plasma volume. This is just more water being available in our body with several different factors occurring due to this. With an increase of water available, our plasma volume will increase between 3 and 27% depending on person and research. With that first week of acclimation showing a 2 to 3 liter change, roughly 5 to 7% of body weight. This also leads to increased cellular hydration, just another pool of water that our body is able to pull from. And another factor that helps increase our plasma volume is this increase of ADH. This helps hold salt in our kidneys, therefore pushing water back in to reabsorb to help maintain the gradient that our body desires in the system, and increasing plasma volume in turn. Number two is we're going to sweat sooner. So to start sweating, first we'll start sweating at a very high core temperature, meaning we're going to have to dump more sweat to maintain and even see a decrease in core temperature, and therefore we're not going to be able to work as higher workloads due to this very rapid core temperature increase. Number three is a decrease in glycogenolysis. This is a energy production source in our metabolism, and so by decreasing this, we have a lower metabolic rate, and therefore we're going to have a lowered core temperature due to this lowered metabolic rate, allowing people to be more comfortable and able to work longer in the heat. Number four, our increase of hemoglobin. This just increases our O2 carrying capacity, not only just in heat, but outside of the heat, because we don't lose this increased hemoglobin after we're done exercising in the heat. Number five is we're going to dilute our sweat. We're going to see less electrolytes being pushed out during sweating, and therefore this allows us to hold on to more water in the plasma. And number six, last but not least, we're going to increase our stroke volume and decrease our heart rate. This allows us to work at a higher workload, and having a decreased heart rate allows us to use less oxygen to push the same amount of blood.